Straight to TRON for this read. The opening frame is every closed week since listing, drawn as the corridor its trailing year has traced. That corridor is the highest and the lowest price of the 52 weeks behind each point. Today, it spans 40.7% of its own floor, and no trailing year on this chart has ever been narrower. The widest reading in this history was 1373% and the middle one 258. 36 weeks moved over 40% in 1 week, and no session of the last year did. That last sell is the year. It runs from 0.2683 to 0.3775, and neither edge is a close. Both are wicks printed and handed back inside the session. Above sits the record 0.45, 25.5% up. Inside it, the 1000 hours run 0.3154 to 0.3376, 20.3% of the year, and it opens now. Then the price line fades to a watermark and its rank takes over. For each hour, the share of the rest that closed lower. The last close, 0.3351, ranks at 99. 989 hours closed under it, 3 closed level, 7 closed above. Watch, the two shapes disagree. The rank curve flattens where price is busy and leaps where price barely moves. 41 ticks is what price traveled since the last read. Begun at the window lowest close, they would buy 4.9 points of rank. Begun at the median close, 45.7. Begun where price actually stood, they bought 13.1. The ceiling the last read named, 0.3336, has 13 closes above it out of 27. 0.3287 and 0.3235 kept all 27. Closed hours put the day up 1.27%. Analysis, not advice. If this discipline belongs in your feed, subscribe, leave a like and share it with one trader.